Wow, guys, look. Hope it does not fall over. Ewo. Is this supposed to be wobbly? Wow, look, guys. So now my tablet can be facing like that. So when I'm drawing, guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. I think this is how it's supposed to be. Let me check. So, wait on. Guys, I think I put it in wrong. So this side is supposed to be facing this way. Oh man. Guys, I think I got it wrong. So that's why it's a bit wobbly. So it's supposed to be facing this way. Like so. So now I can adjust it like this. Wow, this is so cool. Let me move this. So I can basically, so now if I'm drawing, guys, I can just put it like this and I can draw on my table. Yeah, this is just perfect. And guys, guess what? When I'm in bed as well, I can watch my programs in bed without having to like lean on my tablets. Wow, so this is like a TV stand as well. This is so cool, guys. So now I can actually draw. I can actually put this on the floor. And then all you can see is the, what do they call it? Me drawing from this height, right? Let me see if I turn off this light. It's probably too bright. Because that light is really shiny. Yeah, this is so cool. Yeah, this is so cool, guys. This is really, really cool. So now my tablet can just be here